And welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining us on 12 News at 5. I'm Byron Brown.
And I'm Melanie Christopher. With more rain coming, the reservoir water levels could be affected.
Meteorologist John Conway is live at the reservoir with more details. John.
Well, the recent heavy rain has swelled the Pearl River, and flooding has been a problem across the region over the last several days. Authorities with the Pearl River Valley Water Supply District announced their strategy for using the Barnett Reservoir to mitigate flooding in East Jackson and downstream earlier today.
Determined is that we will use every ounce of capacity that the reservoir has to help with the flood fight. We've got several feet of storage at this point, and we're filling it now.
And they expect to release about 44,000 cubic feet of water per second from the reservoir. Now, while the net water flow into the reservoir will still be about positive 16,000 cubic feet per second, Sigmund said he believes that the measures they are taking will prevent major flooding, provided the current rainfall forecasts stay true. And as the weatherman, I hope they do. We're reporting from the Barnett Reservoir. Back to you in the studio.